Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Today we embark on a fascinating journey exploring the diverse world of hobbies that bring joy and fulfillment to the lives of seniors. Just as a seasoned traveler never tires of discovering new landscapes, retirement presents a unique opportunity to rekindle old passions or unearth hidden talents. Whether you're drawn to the tranquility of nature, the vibrant hues of art, or the thrill of intellectual pursuit, we've got you covered. Gardening, a timeless hobby that offers a sanctuary of peace and a sense of accomplishment. Imagine gently tending to a seedling, nurturing it with water and sunlight, watching in awe as it blossoms into a vibrant flower or yields delicious fruits. The act of gardening is not merely about cultivating plants, it's about cultivating a connection with nature and a sense of purpose. Gardening offers a low-impact way to stay active, improving flexibility and strength, while the outdoors provides a healthy dose of vitamin D. And let's not forget the sheer satisfaction of harvesting your own herbs, vegetables, or fruits, bursting with flavor and freshness. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost cognitive function. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's a gardening project for everyone. So why not put on your gardening gloves, grab your tools, and unearth the joys of this rewarding hobby? From the bold strokes of Van Gogh to the delicate watercolors of Monet, art has a unique power to move us and inspire us. And the beauty of painting is that it's never too late to pick up a brush and unleash your inner artist. Imagine the smooth glide of a paintbrush across a canvas, the vibrant colors blending and swirling, transforming a blank slate into a reflection of your imagination. The act of painting is a form of meditation, a way to quiet the mind and let your creativity flow. Experiment with different mediums, acrylics, watercolors, oils, each offering its own unique textures and effects. Join a local art class or find inspiration online. There are countless resources available to guide you on your artistic journey. It's not about perfection. It's about expressing yourself, exploring new ideas, and finding joy in the journey. In a world dominated by screens, there's something incredibly refreshing about gathering around a table with friends and family for a good old-fashioned board game. The clatter of dice, the friendly competition, the shared laughter, these are the ingredients of a memorable game night. But board games offer much more than just entertainment. They're a fantastic way to exercise your cognitive skills, improve memory, and boost strategic thinking. From the strategic complexities of chess to the wordplay of Scrabble, each game presents unique challenges that keep your mind sharp and engaged. Board games provide a wonderful opportunity to connect with others, build relationships, and create lasting memories. So, dust off those board games, gather your loved ones, and prepare for an evening filled with laughter, friendly rivalry, and mental stimulation. Yoga, finding balance in body and mind. Imagine the gentle stretch of your muscles, the deep rhythm of your breath, the sense of calm washing over you as you flow from one pose to another. Yoga, an ancient practice originating in India, offers a holistic approach to well-being, harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit. Unlike strenuous exercises, yoga is gentle on the joints, making it an ideal activity for seniors of all fitness levels. Regular yoga practice can alleviate aches and pains, improve posture, and increase range of motion. The focus on breathwork calms the nervous system, while the meditative aspect quiets the mind, promoting a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Whether you choose gentle hatha yoga, invigorating vinyasa flow, or restorative yin yoga, there's a style to suit every need and preference. Learning a musical instrument, striking a chord with your soul. Music, they say, is the language of the soul. It has the power to evoke a kaleidoscope of emotions, transport us back in time, and connect us with others in profound ways. And what better way to immerse yourself in the world of music than by learning to play an instrument? Imagine the thrill of your fingers dancing across the keys of a piano, the rich vibrato of a violin, the soulful melodies of a saxophone. Learning a musical instrument is a journey of discovery, a chance to challenge yourself and unlock hidden talents. Choose an instrument that speaks to your heart, whether it's a childhood dream you've always cherished or a newfound passion. Playing a musical instrument stimulates the brain, improves coordination, and boosts creativity. And as you master new skills and create beautiful music, you'll experience a profound sense of accomplishment and joy. Crafting, where creativity knows no bounds. From the intricate stitches of knitting to the delicate art of origami, the world of crafting offers a treasure trove of creative possibilities. Crafting is more than just a hobby. It's a form of self-expression, a celebration of skill and imagination, and a source of immense satisfaction. Imagine the feel of soft yarn gliding through your fingers as you knit a cozy scarf, the delicate precision of placing beads to create intricate jewelry, the joy of transforming paper into delicate origami cranes. Crafting engages both your mind and hands, providing a welcome respite from the digital world. Whether you prefer working with textiles, paper, wood, or clay, there's a craft to suit every taste and skill level. And the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you complete a project is truly rewarding. Writing and storytelling, the power of the written word. Within each of us lies a treasure trove of stories waiting to be told. Writing and storytelling offer a powerful medium to preserve these memories, share our wisdom, and leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. Imagine the satisfying click-clack of keys as you weave tales of adventure, the smooth flow of ink as you pen heartfelt letters, the quiet contemplation as you craft a poem that captures the essence of a fleeting moment. Writing allows us to express our thoughts and emotions, explore new ideas, and connect with others on a deeper level. Whether you're drawn to writing memoirs, short stories, poetry, or even blog posts, there's no right or wrong way to tell your story. The act of writing can be incredibly therapeutic, helping us to process emotions, gain clarity, and find meaning in our experiences. Until next time, keep the passion alive. As we conclude our journey through the world of hobbies, we hope you found inspiration to revive an old passion or discover a new one. Whether you find solace in the garden, express yourself through art, or challenge your mind with a game, make time for the activities that bring you joy and enrichment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your favorite hobbies in the comments below.